Morning. Sorry, I don't have some elaborate introduction. This is this is all you guys are getting. We had news at um 8:30. I believe we also have pending home sales at 10. I don't believe Nasdaq is affected by that naturally, but I think they may move the markets at that time. John, happy Friday. Yes. I'm kind of over this trading week because it wasn't a good one. But we're going to finish it strong. I'll go over what we've got running today here in a second. Up cracks. All right, so these two windows down here, this will be the performance, obviously, and then this is just the chart that the bot that we ran yesterday that we watched. That's going to be taking the trades down here. Again, I just have a naked chart for us to watch it. I have the real chart over there, what it's actually looking at. We also have the other bot running in the background, which I do have a chart open, but I'm not actively watching it. It's a higher time frame. It doesn't take that many trades. A lot slower, so I just peek on it, make sure it's doing what it's supposed to do. Yesterday, for some reason, it looked like the limit or the stops and the take profits weren't placed. I'm wondering, I didn't go double check, and it was on micros. Maybe it was too many orders. I don't know. I didn't see any issues in the events log from Quan Tower. Usually when that happens, it says like it rejected an order, but it says all my orders were placed. I went and replayed yesterday on market replay, and it placed the limit orders. Market came in, we got tagged in. All the take profits and the stop losses for each set were placed properly. So we're just I'm gonna keep an eye on that. That one, I haven't even shown you guys the trades at all. I've just shown you when it's been in a position. And then up here, I'm just gonna I just went in. We're just gonna take some manual trades today on just a 25K account. I was thinking about, I've had this idea for a while, and I smile saying that because I have lots of ideas. like the 25K account going after $1,500 profit, it seems so easy to just, if you want to pass it in a month, just go after $75 a day. You're going to hit a red day, so you have to keep that day to $75 or 100 or less on your loss. So maybe limit yourself to like 2 trades a day. If they don't work, you're done. Don't even try again. Come back the next day. My idea is that I should be able to pass one of those within a month, and then the next month get to that payout level, right? Like that's so easy. But the hard part for me is accepting $75 a day or 100. Like that's not rewarding enough for me. I understand that that's a problem, but it is what it is. Like I can't accept only $75 or only $100. Like I want several hundred a day to be satisfied enough to leave the charts and not come back. I know nobody needs to tell me that that's not a proper way of looking at this. I understand that, but I'm recognizing that that's how I am. So with that said, why not get 20 accounts and just group trade them and go from there? All right, I'm going to have to miss this open. I'll be back when something's coming up. I have to go. I'm sorry. Well, I'm gonna leave the stream on. Okay. Oh, just in time for the bot to take a trade. What did that take? A long? No, a short. Wait. Oh, okay, yeah. No, what did it take? How did it take a long? How did it take a long down there when the price was all the way at the top? Did you guys see that? Oh, right. I mean, it was a winning trade, but how did that work? The price was way up here, and then it showed our entry was way down here. Well, bot's off to a good start. I'm really confused on how that happened, though. That has to be a problem with like rhythmic or something. $930.04. Oh, on this. That was weird. Price must have went down before the candle was printed. Odd. Oh, look at our. You guys see this? This latency. Is anybody there? I don't think it is a stream. Look at the. I'm getting all this latency issues. What I don't. What are you supposed to do when that happens? I'm still new to using like rhythmic, and they've been having a lot of issues lately. Just reload it. No, it's getting worse. Where's Alito at? What are we supposed to do? This is just getting worse. I'll be right back again. All right. Sorry about that. Well, so far the bot is doing what it's supposed to do. I have no idea if it's accurate because look at our data latency. Flight, if you're still here, that's sick. You're killing it. I don't know what to do with I don't know what to do about this. If anyone has any ideas. So I'm assuming I'm looking at a super delayed chart, right? It's trading for me. What am I supposed to do? Couldn't I like the orders, if you place an order it goes through fine, right? I mean, the bot is now 3 for 3 and this one looks like it may hit. Did I shut it down after this? After this trade? Or wait, I'm looking at old price action, aren't I? What if I pulled up a different data feed? Place trades. Or no, because you don't want to get stuck in a trade, right? You can at least pull up a chart and look at a more accurate chart. Oh, this is the I have no idea where this trade actually. Well, I see where the trade is, I think, but I don't know the chart is doing. Frick. EX. Okay, this is through DX feed. This is no latency on this one, but I can't trade it. Like I can't place a trade through here. I can place a trade over here. Would that work? If I press buy, I wonder if it will fill it. It's not going to show over here, but it should fill me at this price versus the price that Rhythmic is at. I think I should close the trade and turn the bots off while we're getting all these issues. What do you guys think? Look, it's over. It says it's over 200. Oh, well, it was. It wasn't. It was minus 2. It wasn't over 200. It was minus 200. All right, I'm going to shutting the bots down. Considering considering we had those issues, I had to keep jumping off of here, so I wasn't even watching. The bot went and traded. It shouldn't have been trading during the issues, but I mean, it's ending the day plus 325, so We always say green is green. I'm assuming you guys are having issues too. You want me to tell the bot to trade 5 minis, 10 minis? You have no issues. Okay, I'm going to sign out and sign back in. Oh, yeah, you guys aren't on. Oh, you're using. Let me sign out and sign back in. Disconnect, disconnect. I'm just going to close everything down and turn everything. All right. Rhythmic, R Trader, or whatever is open. That P&L chart, it was off also, I think. Our trader shows that we're up 309. I know that showed 330. Yeah, it's off. It's weird. All right, reconnect. Okay, I'm not seeing any issues. So I'll turn these guys back on. Bot number 1 started. Bot number 2 started. Oh, yeah, that should be 31. Okay, I think we're good. I don't remember what I was saying earlier before I was getting distracted, but 60 trades a day. Going after Grimm's stats. No, I don't think this is including that's not including fees and commissions over here. Bot just took a trade. It shouldn't matter because these are on different accounts. So this top, I'm going to trade I'm going to take manual trades up here. That was the plan. Down here, this is trading NQ on the bot. There's no issues now. I think I just need to sign out, sign back in. Watch, we could have stopped in the green, and then now the bot's going to go lose all this. I need to be prepared for the worst. Man, I want to buy this, but the bot is shorting it. Should I go against the bot? What's up, David? Could have trusted myself. A buy obviously worked. Bot versus bot. We'll put the bot on 10 minis. Oh. Told you guys that this thing's gonna start doing bad now. It's not, I didn't win because I didn't get into a position. So if we compare our performance, I have no trades. At least it took some and it's up. Oh, just gotten another trade. The buy is good there too. I accept the position it's taking. $5 minute, we took out these lows over here. It's nice seeing those wicks. Let's see if the bot can recover. It was only 4 points away from a winning trade on that one. I think is it still good? We're in that gap right there. Maybe not. Uh-oh. We might both be taking L's on this. Just came down and tapped this little one here. I think it's still looking good here. Yeah, it's tough. It's tough to hold. I want to see like 10-ish points, so high 40s here. I mean, the bot's wanting 54, so I like those wicks down into this displacement. Come on. Bot took a fat L. What a dork. No, we didn't name it yet. We need to because I technically have 2 running right now. And the only way I'm distinguishing them for you guys is the one you see versus the one you don't see. One up here. We were offered the up here price. I wanted a little more. Ooh. I'm gonna have to take that. God damn. I said upper 40s, right? And we had 47. I was just trying to hold out to closer to 50. Are they doing it right now, Alito? Um, damn, this bot's showing me. Oh wait, that was a loss. I thought it shorted there. It shorted this. How did it? Why is this showing a loss when it was a win? Wasn't it? How how does that make any sense? It says we had a sell order at 526 with a limit buy at 516, but it says my profit and loss was minus 260. What is going on? I don't understand. Can anyone explain that? Fine in that 1 minute fair value gap. I'm very confused on how this shows a loss. Sell at this price. Buy at that price. What am I missing? What is this one? Yeah, this looks off. I wasn't watching this up here. I take that. It's like one gets us back to basically break even, down $11 on that. Yeah, I think you got to watch their stream and then they're doing like giveaways or something. Oh, you can just fill out a form. Alito. I guess I'll just watch the. I'll have to watch the video back. I just don't understand how. I thought that was. It was a short at 526. So how in the hell? Why does that show a loss? Oh man. I'll figure it out later. Yeah, I think they're doing more later. I mean, I think they're doing some all day. Plus reset codes too. Going like $40 there, but whatever. Why is this? Okay, look. I don't know if you guys can see it. That order we just got in says buy at 529, sell at 539, made $200. You go back two more. We started right here. We sold at 526. Then we bought at 516, which is a lower price. And we lost 260. That should be a plus 200. So how is that even possible for it to show minus? Who do I ask? Rhythmic, Quantower, Apex? I need to go back on the video and I want to see if the open P&L was showing a minus or a plus. Not that it matters. I'm just curious if maybe that was right and this was wrong, or this is wrong and that was right. Shouldn't our trader show my trades? Order history. What account is that? 31. Can't see the trades from today yet. I'm so confused. Well, on our trader, the balance updates there often. Or wait, yeah, maybe it is because our trader is showing I'm up 200, and this is 200 less than where we're at. So, what is going on? Even if I refresh it, that's so weird. Yesterday, today, it's still showing us way down here, and it still shows minus 260. But then on our trader, it shows we're up 218. Hold on. I think some of you may have seen my name before, but if you know it, I'm trying to keep it hidden for a little longer. But oh, frick, that just showed it. Damn it. Uh, it shows, see, open, or we're just got into a trade, so, but it's in the 200s. We're using Quantower. No, it's not a big reveal. It's just my name, but I like that a lot of people don't know it. Yeah, it could be. So we're actually up 200 today. This is showing the wrong number. 260 doesn't even make sense. It's 10 points. It should be minus 200 or plus 200. And it's, oh my God, look at how close that got. I don't know if that's coming back down either in that fair value gap. That's a take profit down here. I don't have a stop loss. It exits if it gets a signal. I think I can't remember why it exits. It exits if it thinks the market is not going to keep going, I guess, in the direction it wants. I don't remember the exact parameters. Not that I've even shared the current parameters with you guys, but it just exits if it gets a signal in the opposite direction, and then it will exit. So it could exit in the green, it could exit in the red, could exit in the deep red, just depends on what the price is doing. But that got very close. One tick. Yeah, I don't remember what it was doing. I think I do. Have you guys taken anything? I haven't seen any was it Delta, right? You shorted somewhere. You shorted and then got out. Lucid is flat. This bot is about to be back in the red. Can't believe it was one tick away. It's hard with a if you have a bot though. I mean, it's gonna either you can't. How you supposed to program to say, oh, if you're close, just get out, like no matter what. Oh, this is so messed up. Look, it just told us that we won that trade. Must be an issue with Quant Tower. So it says that we're up 230. Our trader says that we're up $94. At least it's green at the moment. I think I may have reversed the chart. I need to put that back. Man, we are just choppy lately. This looks like crap. 5 minute looks like crap. Right there with you, Lucid. I feel like I'm so close to being able to rely on all these adventures. What is that? It says minus 120. That's not accurate. We're up 290 now. All right, this is completely inaccurate. So I'm just gonna take it off of there. I don't know why it's doing that. It's got to be a Quant Tower issue for sure. We'll just look at our trader at the end of the day. Create bind. I like that 1 minute right there. We can come down a little more and then maybe get something on the 5-second. Could come down in here a little more, but just try to squeeze something out of that. I like how we went down right away and then wicked back up into that gap on the 1 minute. And I just take it. It was like $50 or something. We're up 64 on here, trading 5 micros. The bot is up 290, trading minis. So far, it's got me beat. We need to. I need to do a day where I trade the same size. See if we can beat it. I mean, it's a good problem to have. You know what's frustrating that I'm thinking about now with that performance is all my back testing I've been doing, I've been relying on that data. And if I can't rely on it, what the hell? I'm going to post it in, there's a Quantower Discord channel. Post it in there and see. But I mean, it's clearly off. It showed winning trades as losing trades as winning trades. The number doesn't even make sense. We had a 10-point win and it gave us minus 260. If it was just completely reversed, it should say minus 200 because that's 10 points times $20 a point is 200, not 260. Delta, were you asking if I had any tweaks planned? Yesterday I worked on adding another indicator to try to see if I could avoid trading choppy areas, but I didn't have any success with it. I also ran all of 2023, but now that I saw what just happened, I don't know if I can even trust that. It was profitable. On one hand, it was profitable. Wasn't that profitable, but I mean, it's like Knives was saying, like if it's extra money and it's just something you just run, like just throw it on an account and let it make extra money. Who cares how much it is? But there were periods of time where it had some big drawdown that I would not prefer to have. But maybe there isn't a way to avoid that. So, I mean, if I run it on a prop account, I could hit a period of time where it does good. So I could pass and then get to payout levels and then it can withstand the drawdown. Or if that period of time in the market we're going to hit drawdown, then I'm just going to blow the accounts, but we just get a new one and keep it going. And that's a lot cheaper than, so say it hits like minus $5,000. Obviously, it would be better for it to do that on an account that costs $30, $40 versus me putting in $5,000 and then it losing $5,000. Oh, Alito just said that that forum is live again. Should just give Alito all of our information and he can do it for us. I'll enter because why not? I'm really disappointed in this account performance thing. What was that? Oh, that was our other bot entering. No? Oh, yeah, it was. That was the other bot entering, not entering, but placing limit orders. I had it on the wrong chart, so I couldn't see. I'm the probably the problem is I'm doing too many things and on different assets. We got micro Nasdaq, we got the regular Nasdaq, we've got the streaming. I've got one bot running here, one bot running there. I'm trying to take manual trades. I have a laptop down over here. So that could be the problem too. Wonder how far we will retrace this. All the way. Man, I want to just jump in. I don't think it's FOMO. I believe we just keep going for a while still. Maybe a little FOMO. Had a little pullback there. See if we can just jump in and ride this up a little more. I got in right at 600, but I probably a bad idea. Maybe we top ticket. This thing retraces that whole move back down. We'll get out if it goes past this swing. My goal is just between $75 and $100 on this account per day. And before we got into this trade, we were at 64. That was the absolute worst time to buy. Jesus. Why'd you guys let me do that? I talked about doing that way back here. And then as it makes the high. I will say though, it's a lot easier with micros. Oh, the bot got into something? Or no, that's our other one. Starting to make all these bearish fair value gaps, and probably would be safe, I think, to expect a healthy pullback with all this displacement. Could have taken way more out of that, but oh well. Oh, the bot, this one? Okay. I don't know if that's a good idea. But we'll let him do what he wants to do. He's got a mind of its own. You can't tell him what to do forever. Bot's gonna give back all of its gains for the day. Stupid. All right, now we're going after these highs. All right, keep moving it around. Too much. Oh, the bot thinks we're going after those highs too. All right, we're retracing into this right here. Come on, is this order? These order blocks aren't going to hold us. Our other bot just got into. I think it got into a trade, or what did it do? No, it didn't. Oh, it moved its orders. This was not ideal. Not at all. Yeah, I'm just frustrated that I was basically at my goal for the day on this account. Now we find ourselves in a crappy trade. But bot's in it with me, so we're in it together. We were once enemies, but now we're teaming up. Yeah, maybe. I don't think they care about us who are trading on STEM accounts, prop firms. Come on. Yeah, that's true. ICT also says that, well, no, I guess that would make sense. Yeah. I really want that high at 11, but it's up to the market to decide if it's going to go up there. Come on, let's just get a quick little push up there. Let me get out, and then you can do whatever you want. Oh, the bot wants 617. We hold with the bot. Yeah, I saw. I didn't see that, but Alito was telling me about it. He's definitely insane. I agree with how he reads the markets, obviously, but he was on a what was it? He was on a paper trading account. But I guess if he's saying everyone was placing orders there, but most of these people are on prop accounts. There's no, I don't know. I don't think there's enough. I guess there could have been. We don't know if there's any people trading the real markets, but most everyone on YouTube is trading with the prop accounts, which aren't going to the exchanges anyways. Holy crap, this is ridiculous. Bots out. We just take it too. I'm just going to get out. We're up 59 on the day. Now it's going to run. The bot is down $7. What a turn of events. This is the bot account. This is the one that we traded manually. I think if it held on to that trade, it may work, but I don't know. Markets are really slowing down here. Yeah, I don't know anything about Bookmap and stuff. Never looked at it. But I mean, I do believe that the market is going after, I mean, you can see it going after recent swings. I mean, it's pretty clear. We wicked down right into these, and now we're turning around and going up. It's not guaranteed that we're going to go take out this up here, But if we're reaching for it, now we can look for longs, look for long setups. So I'm fine with that, or just using that, because my issues don't come from not being able to read the markets. It's the days either I'm just not reading it correctly or the market doesn't want to offer what I want, and then I get pissed. Yeah, try it out and let me know. Quantower has a lot of other stuff built in. I don't think Alito's here right now, but there's something that he always tells me to use called Power something. This bot is insane. Just took another long up here. I'm telling you, it's been choppy since November. I hate it. Where is that Power Tools thing? I don't know. Look at this. Damn, we were beating it, and now I wanted to beat it with micros, and now it's beating me from one trade. And now it's up now it's up 188. It's got 10 more minutes. Our other bot has some limit orders on the chart, but it hasn't taken anything. I'm going to leave that. If those don't get hit by the time I get off the stream, I'm just going to leave them until the rest of the day, because that's what I do when I back test. All right, so we took all those highs. We'll see if we get like a short setup now. Short that gap and the volume imbalance. I'm not looking to hold on to this forever. I just want to see if we can get like $20, $30 out of it. If we go attack this low, we would. I'm just gonna take that. F it. We're up 81 on that account, and my goal was 75 to 100. If we can average 75 to 100, we can pass this. And then do the same thing and get to the payout within a month. If I can do that, then I'm gonna do the same exact thing with like 5 accounts. If I can do that, I'm gonna do the same exact thing with 10 accounts. I don't think I should just jump into trying it with 20. I want to see if I can prove that I can do it with 1 first. That's probably the best. It's probably the more responsible thing to do. Yeah. No, they don't have the 200. It's you have to trade for 10 days, or you have to have 10 trading days. And then I think they have like a consistency rule, but it's not just a blanket 200. Apex Trader consistency rule. I think they do. I'm not sure. I've never gotten that close to a payout, so I've never worried about it. They do have verbiage on their site that says something like if they think you got lucky, like on a news event with like 100 contracts, that they won't. I don't think they'll pay you. I don't think they'll pay you on that. Oh, there is no consistency. Oh, wait, there is no consistency for the evaluations. Consistency rules for the PA. For PA and live funded, we are not looking for gamblers, lucky traders, windfall traders, or those looking to work the system. That makes it sound like if they see you made 100 grand on a news event, that they may not. 30% profit rule. I mean, we can be mad at them, but at the same time, they're in this to make money off of us paying for the evals. Okay. The balance in the account cannot consist of more than 30% of the profit balance being from one single. Okay, so 30%. But they require you to trade for 10 days, so you shouldn't have a problem. That shouldn't be an issue. And if you don't want to abide by rules like that, then go trade your own money. I mean, on one hand, I hate these prop accounts. On the other hand, I recognize that they just make money off of us from doing evals. That's it. So I use them because they're cheap, and I don't want to be spending my real money losing. I would rather lose the money on the eval and the fee versus and get that experience versus putting in real money and losing that, because I've done that and it sucks. Way worse. This bot got into a little trade, huh? It's looking for 629. And it looks like we're going to attack this guy now. So, could work. I was about to get into a trade, but I'm done taking manual trades. We'll see how this plays out. It's going to shut down at 11 a.m. anyway, so we got 4 minutes. We'll see. See how she does. And then we'll look and see who had more profit today, me or the bot. Which, if this is a losing trade, which it's not looking too good, then we did better. I want the bot to win because that means it would have made more money than me. And it's on minis, but I'm preparing for if it has a red day. At least I had a green day, and I can still be happy. It's a win-win situation, Delta. I'm setting myself up for success. I don't want the bot to lose, but we can celebrate if it does. We can celebrate if it doesn't. I find it hard to believe that this trade will work out. I don't like it buying at the highs of the day, and I wouldn't like it taking shorts at the bottom, at the lows. I could probably tell it to not do that. If it's within so many points or new highs on the day, just don't enter longs. Same thing for shorts. Are you still in that long delta? What are you aiming for? At 650? Damn. Oh, it closed it. It's 11. So it looks like it would have hit, but I'll take that too. So nice. All right. Well, the results are in. You guys already know. This top one, this is what we did manual trading, $81. It's at my profit goal of 75 to 100. However, we held on to that one trade way too long. Probably shouldn't have even been in that. And then the bot, 334. I can't trust that graph. I don't even know what trades it took that were winners versus losers, because I can't trust that. But the bot did 334. Yesterday it did over 300 also. So that's pretty cool. 2 days in a row. When this week or these 2 days, I was just testing to see if it even takes the trades I want it to take. So it's a plus that it's green. It hasn't done anything too crazy yet, so that's cool. But I'm going to head out. You guys have a great weekend. Delta, stay strong. If this looks like it's not going your way, keep your stop loss wherever it's supposed to be. You guys have a good weekend, and we'll be back on Monday morning.